Shift WMS gives you complete control of your warehouse from the moment stock arrives to the second it reaches your customer. Modern fulfillment involves multiple suppliers, multiple sales channels, and constant movement of inventory. Shift WMS brings everything into one system, so your team always knows what is happening inside the warehouse. Track every inbound shipment with clear visibility into carrier details, expected delivery times, warehouse assignments, and shipment status. Your team can quickly identify inventory that is in transit, already received, or flagged as an exception, so operations move faster and delays are avoided. Once products are in stock, Shift WMS manages the entire outbound process. Every order moves through a structured workflow with 12 live statuses, from order creation to processing, dispatch, and delivery. This gives your team complete visibility into order progress, customer details, and shipping information at every step. Shift also connects directly with your Shopify store, syncing orders, products, and inventory in real time, so your warehouse can process orders immediately. When returns or delivery failures happen, Shift tracks RTO risk early, and automated NDR reports help your team resolve issues faster. Shift WMS. Built for modern fulfillment. Install it on the Shopify App Store today.